Perfect.
All right, so we're just warming up right now?
Yep, just warming up.
Oh.
And I'm in pants and a button-down shirt. I'm gonna start sweating. All right, I'm good if you are.
You ready to go? All right.
So what are we doing? Switch every 5 again?
Yeah.
21?
All right, welcome to Po' Boys. We're playing. All right, that's one. Fuck, man, I'm gonna be ass on this. 2-1. Every 5, damn it. Every 5 we switch servers, and every other serve you switch sides. So it'll make sense here in a little bit.
That's 3-1. We got one more.
Damn it.
This is your last time. Let's try to get that one.
There we go.
Ooh.
Damn.
Oh, yes.
I don't know if I like these paddles or not. I need to hold 2.
4-1.
I'm gonna hold 2.
What for?
Just cause.
What is that gonna do?
It makes me better at this game.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
That's not how this works.
Damn it. 5-2, I believe.
Yeah, 5-2. Oh.
And when he serves it, he has to serve from that square to this square. Damn it, the spin on the ball.
6-3. 7-3. You're on that corner.
Oh yeah, I'm on this corner now.
6. Hang on, I'm trying to get the score. You just got 2. It was 7-3 a second ago. 7-5.
7-5.
Okay.
Does that count?
Yeah, that's my point. What was that? 7-6? 8-6.
8-6.
You get one more.
One more.
9-6.
I'm gonna make the comeback of the year.
We can do 2 out of 3 games too.
Oh yeah, that's true.
2 out of 3.
So how are your car projects going?
Ass. None of them are running.
Well,
My daily turned into a project because now I'm trying to fix it. That wasn't really part of the plan whenever I bought it. Boy, this is gonna be hard to do a conversation with this. 11-6. 12-6.
yeah, 12-6. So none of your cars work?
Nope.
You have 3 different cars and none of them work?
Yeah.
So you ride a longboard to work?
Z doesn't have an engine or transmission. Need to order bearings for that. The Eclipse, I haven't even started because I don't have time for it. On my daily, it's got a really bad misfire and I don't know why. Which after getting all new spark plugs for it, I think all the oil that went into one of the cylinders is fouling spark plugs now. I'm gonna pull them out and see if they have oil on them. If any of them do, I think that one is probably just getting fouled.
Yeah.
Like one day this week, I'll just check the spark plugs and see if it works. All right, 13-6.
This wind is aggressive. Okay, so I don't like it because the wind's going this way, so if I tap it, it goes all the way, and if you hit it hard, the wind stops it and it lands right in front of me.
No, that's not the wind. That's me spinning the ball.
No, it definitely is the wind.
That's mine, or your point. Forgot what the score was.
I really don't know.
It was 69, 16-10 now.
Okay.
I think you're supposed to be starting from the other side.
No, I just did.
16-11.
Damn it, I wasn't expecting you to make that.
18-11.
All right, I'm just gonna beat you real quick.
Oh, God.
18-12.
Okay.
Damn it, it got stuck on the table.
One more.
Damn it. I wanted it to drop. It just did not drop.
Here you go.
Game point.
13. 14.
Oh, 15. Come on, making the comeback of the century. Oof. All right, game 1, Zorbii. Game 2.
You're me first.
He won.
Ready?
Does that count?
Oh, yeah, that counts.
Bet. I like this backhand thing.
3.
Damn.
3-1. 4-1. Your serve. Yours. It's your point. 6-1. The tables have turned.
Oof. Yes, they have. But the worst part about it is even
My
if
shoe open.
I do great, I'm still gonna be tied.
7-2.
Let's go. I was getting it to you.
Well, I was getting it.
So this is replacing a video because it's way too hot to make a video right now.
That's why we're outside making a video on the heat.
Yeah, but we're like moving around. We're not in a hot garage.
I guess that's true.
Got a lot of parts coming from my car. I have a clutch. I have front bumper, rear bumper, hood. I got a 4-inch cowl hood. What else do I have? Crack rock. I got all the parts I need to fix that bike. So crack rock will be back up and going here in just a few. Just got the sprocket, chain, and everything today, but still waiting for the end of the week for the rest of the parts. And truck, I got a clutch for the truck. I'm trying to think what else I bought. Oh, I also got a Corbo seat and bracket for the car. Oh no! That could have been great.
8-6. I get one more.
Okay. I will be doing a crack rock video very soon, a dedicated crack rock video. So for y'all that are trying to watch videos of crack rock, I'll do a dedicated video for that. You can serve. I can talk while I'm playing.
I can't multitask like that. Your point. So 9-6. What was the score? 8-6.
I just made that point, so it's 9.
What was it? 8-5. I lost track of the score.
I don't know.
People watching this are gonna think we're terrible at math.
8-4. I'll beat you either way.
8-4.
Yeah.
So let's call it. But that math doesn't make sense. I think it was 9-6 because there was one more serve and you had 8.
All right.
Okay, here you go. 9-6. We'll just go with that. Whatever. 10-6.
10-6. Bet.
11-6.
Damn it. I'm trying to serve like this.
11-7.
Oh, you keep making points.
You get 2 tries to get a serve. You mess up the serve 2 times in a row, then it's the other person's point. No, don't get that out of the grass. Don't leave it in the grass.
I'm not going to leave it there. I was just going to grab this one since it's faster.
So I guess that's 7. 12-8. 12-8. You gotta help me keep track of score.
All right.
I'm too ADHD for this.
Damn.
12-9. Oh! I lost track of the score again.
Let's go.
14-11. Your serve. This one's a little bit more heated.
Bet. All right, 15-11. 16-11. Let's go. Let's go, baby. 17-11. Boy, I spun it way too hard.
17-12. You get one more. 18-12. My turn. 19.
19-12. All right, let's go. See, Zorbee's an interesting character. Sometimes he'll be great at ping pong, sometimes he won't.
No, I think you just got to get a warm
I
up.
feel like this is game point.
13.
I'll give it to you. Ooh, that's game, baby.
Whoever wins this one wins overall.
Yep.
I'll let you start this one.
All right.
Let me get a different paddle though. Edges are going up on this one.
Ow! Hit me in the face. All right, ready? Oh no! Damn.
Yep.
Why did I do that?
Oh, what is my point?
Why did I do that? Damn it.
Here you go. Do one.
Oof.
3-1. 4-1.
Dang it.
Getting heated, boy. Yep. 6-3.
This is for all the marbles.
I don't have any marbles.
No.
7-3. Your serve. This side. 8-3. Wait, was that serve?
That was a serve.
8-4. Net. That's
8-5.
no. 9-5. Well,
Wait, am I
I
ahead?
guess that is technically your point if you hit the net and over, whatever. 9-5. There you go.
Wait, I'm at 9?
Or is it 8? No, I'm at
Oh, I was gonna say.
9, or is it 8-5?
It'd be 8-5.
8-5, okay.
Not 9-5.
10.
11-5. Oh no, this is doing bad. Man.
4 more, shoot some more. All right, 12-5.
Let's go, baby.
Damn. 12-6.
You're double ahead of me.
Damn, that's, nope. That's her.
Fuck.
13-6.
I get the wrong angle on it every time.
13-7.
No.
No.
14-8.
I don't know how I hit that.
I don't either.
18-8?
18-8.
18-9.
18-9. Golly, I'm half of you still. Boy, so close.
All right, 29. Game point.
Game point. Damn.
Good game, Poe.
Good game.
I'm down to keep playing if you want to.
I'm down to keep playing.
All right. Well,
All right, I'm gonna play one round, and I'm not gonna let you score once.
I'm the. Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
To 21. I'm not gonna let you score once.
I am the champion so far.
Yeah, that's okay.
Don't at me. Actually, yeah, at me. I'm the ping-pong champion.
At me.
If we're gonna start a tournament between everybody in our group, nobody's beating me.
I'm gonna beat you
I'm
right
the
now.
champion. You'll probably beat me one day. Here, I'll let you start.
I'm not gonna let you score once. That wasn't a point. Fuck you. Let's switch sides.
All right. You want to start over?
Yeah, let's start over. I want to see if it's any better.
There you go.
It's about the same.
0-1.
I'm gonna wait for the wind to kick up though.
1-1.
1-2.
3-1.
Oh, bad serve. Bad serve.
3-2.
That wind is intense. Gosh darn.
5-4. 6-4. What happened to not letting me score?
I realize it's hot. I'm still gonna beat you though. Let's go. Man.
8-4.
I don't know what I was planning on there.
10-4. One more serve. Cheers.
Oh. Gang.
10-5. 10-6.
I told you I'm beating you this game. Never mind.
11-6. 12-6.
Gang.
12-7. Gang. 12-8. Cheers, sir.
I don't know if I like this.
13-8.
You are just better than me. This is bad. I can't even see anything.
14-8.
All right, I take back what I said. Ooh.
There it is. So hey, remember, keep your eye on the ball.
Your serve. Damn, why do you do that to me?
16-10.
Damn.
17-10.
I have the right like movement down. It's just I can't do it.
Need new shoes. Oh no. Oh. 17-12. You get one more. Hang on, I gotta tie my shoe. Ah, man. 19-13. 20. 13. Your serve. $14.
Ooh, 15.
Eye on the ball. Yep, go.
16.
17. Come on, baby, let's go. 18. Oof. One last skibbity bitty bitty.
There you go.
I'm gonna spike it on you.
Don't spike that, man.
I don't know, I got a video.
End of this video, or-
All right, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Send it.